Hello, my name is Ian Hill. I want to thank you for registering for the Changing Points Leadership Bootcamp. We've started this program for one reason and one reason alone: to grow a community's leadership capacity. Now, what's leadership capacity? Leadership capacity is demonstrated excellence in leadership amongst formal and informal leaders of an organization, maybe that's a business, a nonprofit, or a governmental entity, or even a whole community. You see, we've come to find, as we've done projects literally all across North America and as far away as Africa and Australia, we've come to find that the key to success of a business, of an organization, of a governmental entity, or of a community is leadership. But it's not like leadership of the past, one guy on the white horse telling everybody what to do. Today's leadership approach is different. And it's not just demonstrated leadership amongst formal leaders, people with titles. Today, it's leadership demonstrated amongst all of the stakeholders. Informal leaders are the key to success. The challenge is that times have changed, and Drucker was right. He was right when he said that every couple hundred years in Western history, society rearranges itself. This transformational time calls for a different kind of leader. So our goal is to increase the community's leadership capacity by focusing on three main sectors of any community: the governmental sector, the social profit nonprofit sector, and the business sector. If we can raise the leadership capacity of all three of those sectors, then we can count on the fact that the community will be better. You and I both know when leaders are better, everyone around them is better. And when leaders amongst all three of the main sectors, both formal and informal, are better, the community gets better. Now, how are we going to do this? Well, we're approaching it in a very unique but proven method. Over 50,000 people have gone through a program similar to this that we've developed. We're using a 30-day approach and a blended learning style. So the whole thing will kick off in a few days when you and I meet face to face. And we'll spend a few hours together laying the foundational principles of the concepts in place, of the competencies that the times require, the leadership competencies that times require. Then for 30 days, we'll unpack that through the beauties of technology. Through on-demand videos, email, exercises, we'll wrap around you as a participant and move you towards your leadership best. Why 30 days? Because it takes 21 to 28 days to establish a habit. So you've got some leadership approaches you're using now. We're going to introduce some leadership approaches we think the times require, and we're going to help move you towards that by using a blended learning approach and 28 days to establish a habit. Two other key pieces. After the 30 days is complete, all of that material will be housed in that learning portal for you forever. Forever. And then finally, we're going to ask you to make a commitment. What are you going to work on for the 30 days? It'll be a written commitment between you and between me. No one else will see it but you and me. That commitment is what we'll focus on for the 30 days to increase the likelihood that behavioral change will occur. So that's the program in a nutshell. We look forward to seeing you in a few days, and we look forward to you growing your leadership capacity so you can improve yourself, your family, your organization, and your community. Take care, everybody.